What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kels here, and we have a room tour video. All right, friends, so this is the door when you first walk in. My dog is being obnoxious, so you might hear him trying to break the door down as we're in here. Immediately to the left, I have these three beautiful pictures. I have my plant, a Monstera plant. I have this beautiful Chanel. That is the official or original store, the Chanel store, the first one. Have the fashion sign, and then the Louis Vuitton one. That one, the Louis Vuitton and the Chanel one, were gifts, and I absolutely love them. So I'm very happy to have those. I have a closet right there. It's kind of a mess. I have some like fancy dresses and t-shirts, scarves, and some other things in there, but it's a mess. So let's not go in there. Then I have my shoe wall. And everything is coordinated by color. As you can see, there are some shoes that are missing because I am going on a trip in, let me think, 3 days. So obviously I had to pack things. So there are holes where there should be shoes. You can see that I do color code them because it makes it easier for me as far as dressing. And I do like that. These are more my like, cheap to mid-tier shoes I have over here. This dress dummy that sometimes I use, sometimes I don't. This hat is actually my papa's hat. And then this hat I got in Mexico. I love wearing this one because it belonged to my dad. Then I have this jewelry table here. And I have this jewelry tree. It was also a gift that I got many years ago, but I keep some of my jewels on here. As you can see, that I actually got from IKEA. It's for a picture, I think, but I use it for jewelry. But this acrylic case, I think I got online, and I actually use it for some of my like nicer jewelry. Again, things are missing because I packed them for my trip, my birthday trip. So I got my Fendi earrings, Chanel earrings, Dior necklace, more Chanel earrings, brooches, Hermes bracelet, etc. That's for my belt. More necklaces in here. My Movado watch, I bought me and my dad the same one, so we have the same watch. That's another Movado watch, a necklace, some brooches, and my Versace bracelet. I don't bring all my designer jewelry with me when I travel or bags because sometimes it's not safe. So that's Vince Camuto. That's a belt. Some more Movado. I have mostly Movado watches. Chanel brooches. And here I have pearls. Movado, I think that's maybe Michael Kors, and then we have some Tiffany's in here, as you can tell by the Tiffany blue, and that one's Tiffany's. Back in the day, I used to direct back in high school. I was a director, and they got me that beautiful necklace. It actually tarnished, and I brought it to Tiffany's, and they made it look brand new. So I love it. Shout out to my old school high school days of directing and such. This is actually, let me show you this one. First Movado watch my dad ever bought me. It was a graduation gift. And I think he has the same one. And I wore it so much, I think it's scratched a little, as you can see. But I wore it all the time because it was my first Movado and he got it for me for my graduation from college. And I got some other necklaces in here. And here we have some of my little belts and this little organization case here. And then here I have these beautiful things that I bought on Amazon that actually hold your belts. See my Hermes one, my Gucci one, my LV one, which is here, I packed because that's what I'm wearing on my trip. And I have a fourth one of these. And once I get a Valentino belt or a belt that has red and white, that'll join this here collection. I'm super excited. Now we can go through my sunglasses. I've already done a sunglass video, so if you want to see that, definitely check the link below. These are my Chanel ones. These are my Dolce & Gabbana ones. These are my Gucci ones. Absolutely love. I think I got this set thing from Amazon. I'm pretty sure. This I think I got from the Container Store. But this I got from Amazon. All right. These I got from Gucci. I am missing a pair here. They're my silver Ray-Bans. But I just went out for birthday brunch. So I actually wore those. And that's why they're not there. These are my regular Ray-Bans right there. Here I have my Christian Dior glasses. These are also Ray-Bans. These are Dolce & Gabbanas. I'm going to talk about a lot of these in my sunglasses video. These are my Versace sunglasses. These are from Tiffany's. I got these as a gift from my boo. And these are actually no name. I got them from an organization here in AZ called Black. Oh God, I can't remember the name. I'll put it in. I can't remember right now because, again, I just came from brunch, so I've had lots of mimosas. Anyways, these are all my scarves. I have my Burberry scarf here, my Gucci scarf here. I have more scarves, but they're in the closet, but I keep these ones out because they're the designer ones. My candle, my plant. Normally I put my wallet and stuff there, so you can see I have snacks, my wallet, all kinds of stuff there. This is my mirror. That shows you, I have a Chanel perfume bottle kind of decor up here. Is this? So you can see me. This is what I wore to my brunch. You'll probably see this later. And I have my slippers on because I do not wear shoes in my house. All right, let's get to the closet. Well, not the closet, but the clothes. So we have our boxes up there. And these lights actually turn on, but I'm not going to turn them on right now. I have a plant. I love plants. I have a plant there too. So these are all my dresses. This one I'm wearing for my actual B-day when I go get my spa day and stuff. These are all my sweaters and things. This is what I'm going to wear traveling. So you'll see that. This one I wore for the first time at my cooking class that I did for my birthday. This is the Prada one that I bought that I haven't worn yet. But I'll probably wear that when I go to Chicago soon. As far as the drawers, this is just underwear. You can probably see I have so much underwear because I used to work at Victoria's Secret. So so much underwear in there. These are bras. So many bras. This is swimwear and nightgowns and stuff like that. So much stuff. This one is activewear. Hard to kind of open because I have a lot of activewear. Because all the shorts on this side, pants and things on this side. And I really like to hit the gym. Oh, this one, ignore that. We're just going to push that back in. And here's my sweats and all my robes. Okay. Now is the shirts or tops and bottoms. So up here I have all my shirts. They are color coordinated, as you can tell. I start with gold or silver, and then gold, then white. Tons of things here. Black and white, then black. I have a lot of black things. then like brown, leopard print, which then moves into red. Some fantastic things in here I have that I've used in photo shoots. Orange, yellow. I should purge some of these, but I'm like really bad at purging things. I like to hold on to things, so it's kind of hard for me. Lime green into green. Blue, it's basically the rainbow. Like that's how the rainbow goes, like red, orange, yellow, green, blue. And then I don't have a lot of purple, but I have like pink. Lots of pink. This is from a friend of mine. And then purple at the very, very end. So I'll show you that. And we go down to here and we have like skirts over here. As you can see, some skirts are hung on these kind of hangers with clips, and then I have all my pants. And there's a closet portion. Pardon the glare because it's from the light, but can't really do much about that. And now for my like more designer things on this wall here, just so you could get a good like look at everything. Okay, so let's start with the shoe area. Up here I have all my Louboutins. Then I have my shoes with wings / Louboutins. So these are some of my favorites. You probably have seen them in multiple videos. They have wings just like these. And then these are all the Louboutins that aren't like heels. And then like we kind of continue the color. So you have like a white and cream. We have Dolce & Gabbana. We have Burberry here. And then these, I believe, these are Manolo Blahniks. So Manolos, Dolce, Prada. These are also Prada, Dolce's, Burberry. So they're like all the same. And then we get to like the flats, and we have our Gucci, Versace, Gucci, and then Louis Vuitton. I'm gonna consider if I'm gonna sell some of these because I don't wear all of them a lot. Some I wear all the time and some I do not wear that much. These are my LVs. I bought these last year for my birthday. Absolutely love them. Wear them all the time. My Burberry ones, love them. Another pair that goes there. Again, I have things that are packed, so they're not gonna be on the shelf because they're packed. Okay, and then I have my Jordans. I was gonna pack some of them, but I didn't want them to get dirty, so I didn't pack any of them. But I love my Jordans so much. Is this light on? I have some like boots or high tops. So I have my Burberry rain boots that I do get some good wear out of. I got them secondhand. My Fendi boots, which I love. I got them for Christmas, I think last year or the year before. My LV high top sneakers, which I got secondhand for my birthday last year. And then my Giuseppe's, which I got last year just on sale from Nordstrom, and I absolutely love them. So that is the shoe side. And we come to this middle side, and we have shoes and bags. At the top, I have some LV. Clearly a purse is missing there because you could see the paper that I used to stuff it with. All my bags are pretty much stuffed, so there's that. I love my on-the-go tote. That's my toiletry, I think 19 or 26. Can't remember, but I love it. I got it before they decide to like discontinue / raise the price. Then this level has shoes. I have my classic Manolos Hangisi. But I have them in the hot pink instead of the blue because the pink is just fantastic. I love Carrie Bradshaw. I don't have to be Carrie Bradshaw, just adjacent because they're all fashion icons. I have my Jimmy Choos and these beautiful red velvets. I've not worn them in a while. I need a new bag. I had a bag that matched, but I gave it away, so I need a new bag for that. These Miu Mius, which are also very similar. Love these. These I think are YSL. And these are Prada. Love those. Okay, I'm gonna sit on my little bench. All right, we got some more shoes. So those silver and gold ones I love because they're two-tone, and they are Miu Miu. These Dolce & Gabbana's gold are brand new. I got them for my birthday last year, and they're the Baroque ones, as you can see by the heel. I wore them for my birthday. Dolce & Gabbana's. These Versace ones, best buy I ever had. I got them like on sale for $80, and those are vintage Versace. Love them. And then these yellow ones are Prada. And then I have my Prada bag and YSL bag. And then when we come down here, obviously a bag is missing there. Things got scratched in the move. Normally you can't see it because there's a bag there, but I don't really mind, to be honest, because I just want my bag to be displayed. Everything doesn't have to be perfect, but I have like my Prada bag, LV, YSL, and Chanel. My Holy Grail bag back there that I got 5 years ago, and I'm in love. I have all my like SLGs and scarf. And then I have some flats here. Again, missing a pair of shoes there. But I have Gucci, Valentino, Dolce, and Gabbana there. Then down here, I have my LV Keepo. I think that's a 45. And then my long chomp bag. Great travel bags, which is why I put them together. Last bit here. This is all purses. So like that's shoes, that's purses, and this is the mix. So these are the purses. I have my totes up here. My LV Neverfull GM. This one for my dad. This purple one is the first one I ever bought for myself, so I keep it. Then on this shelf I have my LV bag in the back, this YSL bag here, Burberry, Gucci, and this Fendi bag, which I got secondhand and I love. This shelf, I have like a mixture. I have some like dupes as well as some like Gucci, Prada, Versace, Coach, which I love. I love like looking at the bright colors all together. I want more bright colors. I just love how that looks. Okay, here, I Neverfull MM. I got that bag because I bought something at Nordstrom. It is Christian Siriano by Beauty Bio. The bag in the back is Versace. This one I just got for my birthday. And normally there's another bag there. And then I have my Louis Vuitton. I think it's called Louisa or something. Louise? I don't know. I made it up, but I love that bag because it has 2 inserts inside so you can wear it different ways, and a chain that comes off. So as we get lower, these bags are not like designer, but I still love them. Now we're back at the beginning. So here is an overview of my closet. Fans on.